Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to upload your very own fonts onto ClickDesigns and use them for all of your designs. So this is if you have a specific font in mind or a specific font that you'd like for your brand or product or design that does not come in the editor. You can easily upload them and use them as you'd like. So to do this, you have to access your ClickDesigns Brand Kit. So simply go to the drop-down menu of your profile here and select on the Brand Kit option. Now, after clicking on Brand Kit, you are going to be able to view any and all brand kits that you have under your account. So as you can see, I have 2 existing brand kits already, but if you don't have one, you can simply click on Add New. So let's do that. And it is going to ask you for a brand kit name. So simply just create any name that you'd like. So I just put test. So when you create a new brand kit, it is going to ask you for specifics such as images or logos for your brand or service, specific color palettes, and of course the last section, which is the fonts, which is what we are going to focus on here. So in the font section, you just want to click on Add Font. And then here you can either select on an already existing font from the selection here on ClickDesigns, or you can upload your own font, which is what we are going to focus on. All right, so here is my attached file. So I have already uploaded a file for a font and I just waited for that to load up. And then on top here, this font name section basically allows you to name the font that is going to show up on the editor. So I'm just going to keep it as the same name, which is Birds of Paradise. And then once you are finished, you want to click on this add button over here. All right, so as you can see, the font Birds of Paradise is loaded up over here. And once you're done with that, you can simply go back and that is going to be saved onto one of many of your brand kits. So to test out our newly uploaded font, let's open up the ClickDesigns editor and see the font in action. All right, so I have the editor opened up. I have this specific template that I want to work with, and I actually want to change this beginner's text over here with the font that we had just uploaded. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're just going to select that specific body of text and you're going to scroll down and click on the category that reads Brand Kit. And it is going to show you the images, colors, and fonts that you have uploaded to all of your brand kits. So let's go to the font section. It's going to show me all of the fonts that I have for all 3 of my currently existing brand kits. So let's scroll down and look for the font that we just uploaded. Here you go. So you can see underneath the test brand kit, which is what we made earlier, you can see the Birds of Paradise font that we had just uploaded previously. So simply just click on that and look how easy that is. It completely changed the beginner's text to the font that we uploaded. So that's how easy it is to add and customize your fonts with the brand kit on ClickDesigns. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.